So my video was removed from YouTube the other day. It was a song. So I'm just gonna appeal the strike and show you how you do that. You click there. It takes you to a different page. It shows the video. And then you put your reason. There's another page right here that kind of give you explanation. Kind of give you an outline of how, the reason why you may have got it, and how to go about submitting an appeal. Then there is another, not that one. Nope. It's that one. There is. So that's the video. I won't even play it because I'm sure they'll strike it again, but it was an emotional video, as you can see from that there. What is that? That's the original. Attention alert. So let me go ahead and take this appeal and submit it. Submit this. Oh yeah, here we go. That's what I was looking for. So they're saying that the reason, the violation of YouTube's policy on spam and deceptive practices. And what it does is it locks out. You can still upload off of your first strike. If you get 2 strikes, then they ban you for 2 weeks. You get 3 strikes, then they get rid of your page. You get terminated. So live streaming is disabled. I never live streamed yet anyway, but so hopefully this appeal go through. And they say after 3 months the strike will go off. So I'll appeal this decision, and whether they accept the appeal or not, that strike will fall off just right before Halloween there. So anybody else that's dealing with YouTube, this is just the steps you have to take. I was more upset that they didn't let me have my video up to, because this is my therapy. This helps me, to get these things out and share it, or whoever it may come across, and if it may be beneficial and helpful to them as well. But going through this process, the ups and downs of learning YouTube, I'll appeal it, and if they come back and say, it sticks, and I still gotta, go with the strike, then I'll live with that. But I am, I was told by my brother to look at other options, other outlets to upload media. There's other platforms where this type of thing wouldn't affect your creativity and your therapy. So definitely looking into that as well. So the deceptive practices, they said that because I was, as everybody know, my last few videos, I've been going through mourning. I'm processing, the loss of a loved one, and for whatever reason or another, they I guess they didn't like, the video description, that I've been putting the same video description on the videos, but they all are connected. And it's, it provides information for anyone out there that may need help immediately to talk to, National Suicide Prevention Hotline or the Crisis Text Line or the Trevor Project or anything like that. So, peace, love, smiles, truth, galaxy. I'm Zachary. I see you. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Be kind to nature. The universe will support you. Health is wealth. We got to take care of ourselves out here. And, even when you're going through times of sorrow, sometimes you get neglectful and you don't take care of yourself as well to continue to be strong and continue to live life. So even I have to be mindful of that. So love you all. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, peace, galaxy.